Friends, welcome back to the another wonderful episode on Woman is Special. And today I'm discussing with you on the third very important point on what's locking your cage. Yes. So we discussed on family support, we discussed on mindset, and today let's discuss about our attitude. Yes, attitude. That's very important because somewhere we women we have fallen into negative thinking patterns and that affect our relationships and outlook on life because attitude is very important. The way we look to the things, the way we looking into relationships, all depends on our attitude. If we are positive in life, definitely we see all the challenges, all the things with a positive attitude. But if we are like life में तो कुछ हो नहीं सकता है and a little bit of negative attitude, then whatever situation is there, we will always think about negative thinking. And what happens is sometimes we women, how we lock our cage with attitude is that being content and comfortable with our might be the status quotient, and which have might lead to the laziness and a lack of discipline, and we don't take risk. क्यों रिस्क ले, आराम से रहते हैं ना. वाई डू वी हैव टू गो आउट ऑफ द कम्फर्ट जोन एंड द रिस्क दैट रिक्वायर एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट एंड वी डोंट फॉलो थ्रू द प्रोमिस टू मीट गोल्स कि हम वो गोल्स वाई टू हैव दोज गोल्स बिकॉज बहुत एफर्ट लगेगा उन गोल्स को मीट करने के लिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो गोल्स को सोचने के लिए, एंड मे बी यू माइट थिंक दैट वाई डू वी नीड गोल्स, एवरीथिंग इज देयर, वाई डू वी हैव टू डू समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा. So this kind of a lazy mindset can be there because sometimes we become too much comfortable. Second point which comes under attitude is might be we have developed a pessimistic outlook. Yeah, and pessimistic outlook means where you see everything with a negative thought process. Everything like कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है, and with the feeling that fate generally frowns upon us and that is how it will always be. जो किस्मत में लिखा है वही होना है. मैं ये कर लूँ या मैं वो कर लूँ, डजेंट मैटर, बिकॉज जो किस्मत में होगा वो तो हो ही जाएगा. तो कुछ ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत क्या है या कुछ करने की ज़रूरत ही क्या है. सो दिस इज समथिंग विच इज़ पेसिमिस्टिक attitude, the pessimistic mindset, and how the way you look at the situations or your life. And third thing in attitude I feel is like something we feel that our intrinsic resort to complaining about the circumstances or the other people and blaming someone else for all your situations, and like if I am unhappy, this is because of some other person. So हम दूसरे के कारण ना खुश हैं क्योंकि उसने ऐसा किया इसलिए मेरी लाइफ में ऐसा हो रहा है, या उसने मेरे लिए ये नहीं किया इसलिए मैं ये नहीं कर सकती हूँ, बिकॉज वो नहीं है, वो सपोर्ट नहीं है तो मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, या ये मेरी लाइफ में है ही नहीं है तो आई कैन नॉट क्रिएट इट. सो एवरी टाइम एनी रीज़न ऑफ negative thing or unhappiness is happening in your life, you feel that it's because of some other person and that's the reason you are unhappy. So somewhere we women we have developed an attitude that pits us against the world, and we feel that we need to forgive ourselves and it's a responsibility of our life and its problem because ये तो मेरे कारण नहीं हो रहा है, ये दूसरे कारण हो रहा है, तो दुनिया जिम्मेदार है मेरी मजबूरी के लिए, दुनिया जिम्मेदार है क्योंकि मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ पा रही हूँ. सो समवेयर वी हैव एन एटीट्यूड वेयर वी आर पुशिंग एवरीथिंग टू द वर्ल्ड एंड वी आर नॉट टेकिंग द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ इट, एंड वी हैव दिस एटीट्यूड कि ये तो उसके कारण है. एटीट्यूड के बाद एक बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आता है विच लॉक्स आवर cages, the health. So we say that okay, we don't have family support, we say we don't have a mindset to do, then we say we don't have an attitude to do, and somewhere if we have these three, then we feel somewhere कि यार I don't have a health, good health. So आज सर दर्द है, आज कमर दर्द है, आज पेट दर्द है, आज बहुत काम है, आज बुखार है, body ache hai, so my health doesn't allow me to do lot of things. So somewhere health also is one of the reason which locks our cage. And and in today's world, the lifestyle, our physical alignments, everything is holding us back, and in every way it's making us realize that, because we are not healthy, or because we need to give too much time to maintain our health, and that's why we will not able to do other things. So this becomes a very problematic thing. And maybe, there can be a reason where you are in constant state of fatigue एंड ऑलवेज फीलिंग ड्रेन्ड, मतलब हमेशा दिन भर थके रहना कि मतलब इतना काम कर लिया, मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि मैं मेरी लाइफ को आगे लेके जाने के बारे में सोचूं, पहले मेरा घर का काम ही ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है और बच्चों की पढ़ाई नहीं हुई है, या अभी तक मैंने अपने हस्बैंड के साथ टाइम स्पेंड नहीं किया है, हाउ डू आई हैव टाइम टू डू अदर थिंग्स, माई हेल्थ इज़ नॉट अलाउइंग मी एंड आई एम टू मच टायर्ड. So this feeling also can come, and maybe you suffer from depression. It can be possible that you are already in a phase where you're very much depressed, आपका कुछ करने का मन ही नहीं है, or you have lot of emotional challenges, and that is affecting your both physically and mentally. Because होता है कई बार, कई चीज़ें हमारी लाइफ में इस तरह से होती हैं कि हमें समझ ही नहीं आता हम कैसे रिएक्ट करें. आई रिमेंबर व्हेन दिस 2019 ईयर स्टार्टेड and somewhere this COVID was started, but in Jan Feb it was not too much in India, and slowly it was like in March April it became too much, like lockdown happened and everything happened. And I know in this time a lot of people were very emotionally, mentally, alone, because they have nobody to talk, and some people survive when they talk because कोई बात करने को है, कोई आपकी प्रॉब्लम सुनने के लिए है. लेकिन जब लॉकडाउन हुआ, एवरीबडी नीड टू बी एट होम, दे कैन नॉट गो आउट, और सब इतने सैडेस्ट मोमेंट में थे. एंड आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैविंग गॉन इनटू डिप्रेशन, गॉन इनटू द नर्वस breakdown, where they have tackled the situations alone, and it took time for them to come out of that zone. So it can happen, yeah. You feel lonely, and might be you feel that nobody is it who understands you, what kind of problem you are facing, or the phase you are going through. And might be you can feel that if nobody is understanding, what is the point of discussing these things with them, because even when you go and discuss about your problems, the people around you normally says tumhara to roz ka hai, so sometimes our health comes between our dreams, between our thinking, and that can definitely lock our cage. And another thing is that we have a health condition that has resulted from an unhealthy lifestyle, and now that condition needs to be managed daily. matlab I never have taken care of my health, and I was like, okay to chalta hai, what is there, my family is okay, it's okay. I never think about कि मैं क्या खा रही हूँ, I never thought about मैं कितने बजे सो रही हूँ, I never thought about क्या मैं टाइम पे खा रही हूँ, I never thought about कि what kind of things I am giving to my body, is it everything going to my body, what about my mind, what about my soul. I never have given a thought on that, and now because I have ignored, or maybe I was not aware, now it's impacting me. And now to maintain a state of mind or a state of aware where I can do my household things, I need to go on medication. Maybe because of stress things, I might have developed little diseases, maybe BP problem, diabetes problem, anything can happen, because this is all related to your mental stress. So because of that thing, might be you're not in condition right now where you can think about of making your own career, or getting your financial independence, or doing something for you which makes you happy. And maybe you have some aches, pains, and that recur during the day and slow you down and makes you very weird kind of situation where you can't do. Because I remember when I was 3-4 years back, I was too much in back pain. I don't know what happened. Maybe this was a working stress I developed. It was too much backache that I normally sometimes I just get stiff. I can't move from bed. I can't move. And I know I have taken 6-7 months of physiotherapy, and I felt that pain here because you cannot do anything. And when being a female, your house is all centered about you, you take care of a lot of things are managed by you, and you are lying in a bed stuck, you can't move. It gives you guilt, it gives you feel very low, because you know you want to do a lot of things, and at the age of where people or senior or parents need your help, and you are asking them to help you give a glass of water or do some things. So I totally understand this makes you feel terrible, but this is resulting from a stress, from a thought process which is there. So later on I realized what was triggering the stress and what was that trigger and how I can handle it. Maybe in some of other videos I will share with you how I tackled this kind of stress and how I came out of my backache. And in this year 21 I'm totally free of backache. I'm enjoying my life, and I'm trying to do more, which I was not able to do in that moment because of my backup. I almost, you can say, lost 1 year. I was not able to do a lot of things, so now I'm covering up. But yeah, definitely share with you how I overcame. And another important thing which comes into the health is that sometimes we feel that we are overweight and we struggle with the physical and mental consequences. Sometimes we feel, again in the health, I'm very fat, and because of my obesity or because of my very fat thing, my foot aches, my body cannot take my weight, or because I'm fat I cannot do a lot of stretch, or I cannot sit longer time. So these things in the health, they can be more, but I'm just trying to give you a little bit of gist that what kind of issues can come under health, which can lock your cage. And when health issues automatically take priority, they can lead to self-pity also, and be a legitimate excuse and for not putting energy toward anything else, because health is a genuine thing. If you're not feeling well, your mood and your mood and mode and mood both will go into the negative side, because my health comes first, and when I'm fit, when I'm fine, then only I will able to do other things. So I think I have covered a lot of points under health. So this is the fourth point, which is locking your cage. So do think about that, what kind of issues you are facing and what issues are locking your cage. And maybe in the next video I'll discuss with you that how we can handle such cases and how we can unlock our cage. So I'm just feeling very happy that you are watching my video, and thank you so much. Please do comment, do share your views. If you feel any other point which locks your cage, please do mention it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.